Hello everybody, this is Lila in Hawaii. It's a nice balmy Sunday here with the trade winds blowing. The birds are chirping and it's relatively quiet. No construction today, so I'm making the most of the opportunity. By the way, this thing I'm going to show you is sitting on a French towel, one of those really hard to find linen towels that you get in France. So sort of hanging on to this one until I go back. But I just made a bag which I'm sending to a magazine, so I won't show you right now, but it also has the red stripe that's sort of typical. So I was just going to show you a little inspiration bucket I made. So, oh gosh, it won't stand up. So there we go, that's the little bucket. And I had a vintage, I think it's a rhinestone Paris brooch, so I clipped that on the side, and then I've just stuffed it full of all kinds of goodies. I put some lace. Let me see. If I take it out, I'll never get it back in again. But anyway, first of all, there was book pages and script from France, 2 rolls of that, a bunch of lace, different kinds of lace. There was there's a little envelope, French envelope with something in it, some stuff in it, an old French postcard, and one of my own photographs. There's also a glassine bag, and that's filled with some, it's kind of neat. My antique dealer friend gave me these, I have no idea what you'd call them, but I'm calling them architectural lace pieces. They're like, it's hard to say, isn't it? They're lace, and to me they look like Venice, actually. Actually, now I come to look at, there's one of the canoes there, so that must be Venice. So it's Venetian lace, anyway. And he found a whole bunch of those and gave those to me. So they sit in the glassine envelope. Then I printed some images onto silk. A woman. That one's on silk. This one's on, what is that on? It's on, I think, muslin. And this one's on muslin with a couple of words as well. So that's part of it. And then there's a collection of French-inspired fabrics. There's another piece of lace. There's toile, a couple of pieces of toile, some ticking, and so forth. So that's all in there. So now, can I get that back in there again? Anyway, you'll find this for sale, and the other book as well, the book for the English Cottage. You'll find these for sale in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.